Hi everyone, welcome to Real Numbers Part 7. So from Part 5 onwards we are discussing the properties related to numbers using Euclid's division algorithm. So in Part 7 also I came up with one more problem related to properties of numbers, especially this is the property of a cubic number, that is a perfect cube. So if you consider any perfect cube here, so in problem, so this is the exercise 1.1 problem. So I think it is fourth problem. Okay, so any cube number, any perfect cube number, any perfect cubic positive integer, we have to show that it is one of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So using division algorithm, show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So before proving this, let us verify whether the cube of a positive integer is in the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let us verify. Suppose if you choose a positive integer a is equal to 1, then cube means a cube. So 1 cube is equal to what? 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only will get. So in what form it is? Okay, let us check. Okay, so we have to check whether it is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So let us divide this. Let us choose the divisor 9 here. Let us divide this by 9. Then if you divide 9 into 0, 0. Okay, 1 remains. So it is in the form of 9 into some number, 9 into p plus 1. So it is in the form of 9 into p plus 1. It is in the form of 9 into p plus 1. Okay, so we got this form. So 9 into m plus 1. 9 into m plus 1. Okay, so let us take a is equal to 2 and check a cube. So 2 cube is equal to what? 2 cube is equal to 8. Let us check this. Let us divide it by 9. 9 into 0, 0. 8 remains. So it is in the form of 9m plus 8. It is in the form of 9m plus 8. Okay, 9m plus 8. Like that, let us take a is equal to 3 and find a cube. Perfect cube. 3 cube is equal to how much? 27. Let us check. 27 in which form it is? 9 3s are 27. So remainder is 0. That is, it is in the form of 9m plus 0 or 9m. So if you take these positive integers 1, 2, 3, their cubes are 1, 8 and 27. So 1 is in the form of 9m plus 1 and 8 is in the form of 9m plus 8 and 27 is in the form of 9m. So we are getting the forms 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. But further if you proceed for the numbers, okay, next perfect cubes. Okay, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125. So we don't know whether we get these forms or not. Okay, we don't know whether we get. So I think we get, but this is not the right way of verifying the statement or proving the statement by choosing some examples, choosing 3 perfect cubes. Okay, so we have to prove this by using Euclid's division algorithm. So let us see how do we prove this using Euclid's division algorithm. So let us take, let a is any positive integer. Okay, let a is any positive integer. Let a is any positive integer. Okay, and the divisor b is equal to. So and the divisor b is equal to, I am choosing as 3. I am choosing as 3. Actually here I have to prove that the cube of a positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. But instead of choosing 9, I am choosing 3. Because if you choose the number 9, if you choose 9 as the divisor, so how many remainders are possible? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 remainders are possible. We will get 9 cases. The problem becomes too large. Okay, so and it becomes very difficult. It becomes very difficult. Okay, so we can do like that also. But okay, so it is easy to choose the divisor 3 here. Even though you choose the divisor 3, you can express the cube of any positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. How do we do this? Let us check. Okay, now apply Euclid's division algorithm. By Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, so we will get A is equal to B into Q plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than the divisor B. Here the divisor is chosen as 3. Then A is equal to B, in place of B write 3. A is equal to 3Q plus R. 0 less than or equal to less than B. So you don't bother about this. Okay, here 9 into some forms are there, but here 3Q plus R. This is the form of A, not AQ. Okay, this is the form of the number A, 3Q plus R. Okay, so it is not the form of A cube. So definitely after cubing this number, definitely you will get these forms. So students, you don't bother about this. So A is equal to 3Q plus R. A is equal to 3Q plus R. Okay, so A is equal to 3Q plus R. What are the reminders possible here? Reminders. So 3Q plus R, here the divisor also. What is the divisor here? 3. 3 is the divisor. Okay. Reminders are, remainder is always less than the divisor. That is why 0, 1, 2. Okay. 3 reminders are possible. Okay. Remainder is 0 or 1 or 2. Okay. So this we will get. So 3 reminders are there. That's why we have 3 cases. Okay. We have 3 cases. We have to see that. What are the 3 cases? When the remainder is 0. Okay. First case, if remainder is equal to 0, if R is equal to 0, okay, we have the number A is equal to 3Q plus R. Plus R means what? Remainder 0. So it has no value. So A is equal to 3Q. We will get A is equal to 3Q. So if A is equal to 3Q, then we should get A cube, no? Because we have to observe whether cube of a positive integer is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So let us cubing on both sides. So A cube is equal to, we will get 3Q whole cube. 3Q whole cube. Then, so A cube is equal to 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 27 Q cube. Okay, we will get 27 Q cube. But we should get of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That means, so we should try to write this as the product of 9 and something. So 9 3 is 27 will come. So like this we can write 9 into 3 Q cube. 9 into 3 Q cube. Okay. So A cube is equal to 9 into 3 Q cube. Okay. If Q is any integer, then 3 Q cube is also an integer. For example, if we take 1, Q is equal to 1. 1 cube 1. 3 into 1 3. Then 3 cube value 3. And for Q is equal to 1, so 3 cube value is 3. So some other integer will get. So we can assume it as some other letter. A cube is equal to 9 into m, where m is equal to 3 Q cube. So here we got the cube of this positive integer is in the form of 9m. When the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, the cube of the positive integer is of the form 9m. 9 into m. We got this. So 2 more cases we have. Okay. So in all the 3 cases we have to prove that we should get any one of the form. That's why if let us choose the remainder 1. In case 2, if R is equal to 1, then A is equal to what we will get? 3Q plus R. R is remainder is 1. We will get this. A is equal to 3Q plus 1. Okay. But we have to see A cube. That means we have to do cube. Cubing on both sides. Then A cube is equal to, we will get 3Q plus 1 whole cube. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole cube. What is A plus B whole cube formula? A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Okay, use this formula. Expand this. Using this, A cube is equal to, A cube is equal to, okay, 3Q, A cube means 3Q whole cube plus second term 3A square B. 3A square means 3Q whole square, B means 1, 3A square B plus 3AB square. 3 into A means 3Q into B means 1, 3AB square. Okay, plus B cube. B cube means 1 whole cube. Okay, so if you expand, we will get this. Then a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. 3 cube means 27 will get 27 cube. Next 3 3 ja 9. Sorry, like this we should not multiply because square is there here. 3 1 ja 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 into 3q whole square means 9q square. Okay, 3q whole square means 9q square. Now if you multiply 3 9 ja 27q square will get. So what we will get? 27q square plus 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, 3 into 3q into 1. 3 3 is 9q. 9q into 1, 9q. Plus 1 whole cube is equal to what? 1. So if you expand this, we will get this. Okay, a cube is equal to 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. But we should get any one of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we have to take 9 common here to express in this form. So let us take, so 27, clearly it is a multiple of 9. 9 3 is 27, 9 3 is 27, 9 1 is 9. So you can take 9 common in these 3 terms. So then what we will get? 3q cube plus 3q square. 9 3 is 27. 3q square plus 9 1 is 9. Only q plus 1. We will get this. So now for any integer q, 3q cube plus 3q square plus q is also a integer. Okay, so that you take that integer, let us write some other number. A cube is equal to 9 into some letter m. 9m plus 1, where m is equal to, okay, m is equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Okay. Okay, in case 2 also we got a cube is in the form of 9m plus 1. So cube of the positive integer is in the form of 9m plus 1. Here cube of the positive integer is in the form of 9m. Here we got 9m plus 1 form. So still one more case we have. So when, that is the third case, the remainder is 2. When the remainder is 2. If r is equal to 2, then a is equal to, what is the form? 3q plus r. 3q plus r. 3q plus r is equal to what? 2. We will get a is equal to 3q plus 2. But we have to see a cube. We have to observe a cube. So cubing on both sides here, a cube is equal to, then we will get 3q plus 2 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Again a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, already we learned this formula in 9th class. Okay, so a cube is equal to, so here first term a cube. Here what is a? 3q. So a cube means what we should write? 3q whole cube we should write plus 3a square b. 3. A square means what is a? 3q. So a square means 3q whole square. B means what? 2 here. A is equal to 3q, b is equal to 2. Plus next term 3ab square. 3. A means what? 3q. B square. B is equal to 2. So b square means 2 square. And last final term b cube. B means what? 2. So b cube means 2 whole cube. Like this we have to expand. Then what we will get? A cube is equal to 3q whole cube. 3 cube is equal to 27 cube plus. So first here we have to do the square of this. Square, if you do 3 square 9. 9q square we will get. 9 3 is 27. 27 2 is 54 q square we will get here. After this 2 square 4. 4 is 12. 12 3 is 36. 36 cube we will get here. And then 2 cube is equal to 8. Like this we will get. But here we have to write this in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That is why we have to check whether 9 will get common or not. 9 3 is 27, 9 6 is 54, 9 4 is 36. In these 3 terms we can take 9 common. So if you take 9 common, 9 into 3q cube plus 9 6 is 54, so 6q square plus 9 4 is 36, 4q. Okay, plus 8. Okay, So clearly for any integer q, 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q is another integer. Let it be m. Therefore we will get a is equal to, if you assume it as m, then we will get 9m plus 8. Okay, we will get the form 9m plus 8. Okay, where m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. Okay. So in all the three cases, in first case we got 9m form. In the second case we got 9m plus 1 form. In the third case we got 9m plus 8 form. Okay. So if you take from this, we can conclude any cube of any positive integer. So we can write, therefore the cube of any positive integer, the cube of any positive integer is of the form, okay, 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I hope you understand the problem. Okay, thank you.